Hi, my name is Lado Kutnar and I'm going to present our study in which we are analyze changes of forest understory vegetation in relation to different forest disturbances. In 10 Slovenian intensive monitoring sites range from lowland to high mountain coniferous forest, we selected 60 plots. And these plots, we quantified changes in diversity and composition of forest understory in 10 years monitoring period. These sites belong to the European ICP Forest program or network, you can see here. And we also estimated the disturbance impacts that caused different significant damages to trees or to ground surface layers, including ground vegetation layers and upper soil layers. So in the period between 2004 and 5 and 2014-15, number of plant species decreased from 273 to 244 species. However, number of species per site remain at the same level in this period. It's mostly due to increased frequency and cover of the most common plant species in this period. Some more specialized and rare species have been replaced by these common plant species. This process might be recognized as a sign of the homogenization process, which is documented more on the global scale. So homogenization process means that different ecosystems becoming more and more similar owing to the biodiversity loss, extension of some common species, and also invasion of aliens that both replacing rare or even endemic species. So in this 10 years monitoring period, the frequency of disturbance events and intensity of disturbance significantly increased. The estimated disturbance intensity rate on average was less than 1% at the beginning of this period and more than 16% at the end of this 10 years monitoring period. So our study revealed that the forest disturbance caused significant understory compositional shift during the study period. Thank you for your attention.